Canoe Repair, a step-by-step guide. Hello, everyone. In today's video, we're going to learn about canoe repair. Whether you're a language learner or a canoe enthusiast, this topic is useful and interesting. We'll break down what canoe repair means and how you can talk about it in English. Let's dive in. Canoe repair refers to the process of fixing or maintaining a canoe. A canoe is a type of narrow boat that is typically pointed at both ends and open on top. Repairs might include fixing holes, replacing parts, or general maintenance. This term combines a noun, canoe, with a noun used as a verb, repair, showing a common structure in English where two nouns are used together, with the second acting as a verb. In this section, we'll explore some common repairs and the associated vocabulary. Patch a hole. This means covering a hole in the canoe to prevent water from entering. Replace a gunnel. The gunnel is the upper edge of the canoe's side. Replacing it involves removing the old one and installing a new one. Revarnish. This is the process of applying a protective coating to the canoe to protect it from water and sun damage. Here, we will learn about different tools and materials commonly used in canoe repair. Epoxy resin, a type of strong adhesive used for patching holes. Sandpaper, used to smooth surfaces before or after repairs. Paintbrush, used for applying varnish or other coatings. Let's describe a simple repair process. 1. Identify the damage. Look over the canoe to find any damage. 2. Gather materials. Get all the tools and materials you need for the repair. 3. Perform the repair. Follow the steps required for the specific repair, like patching a hole or replacing a part. 4. Test the canoe. Once the repair is complete, test the canoe in a safe water environment to ensure it is functioning properly. That's all for our canoe repair guide. We hope this video has been informative and helpful for your English language learning journey. Remember, practice is key, so try using these new terms and phrases in your conversations. See you in the next video.